Koosaar Ismaaciil is on a drug run. He is carrying Somaliland's most valuable cargo, chat. This is the fastest chat driver in the land. He stops for no one and nothing. Last week an old woman got in his way. She just about survived. Today the race is tight. The first truck to reach market will get the highest prices. Somaliland's young government, desperately short of resources, has begun taxing chat. But the stop lasts only minutes. And then it's on the road again, whether everyone's aboard or not. The chat race claims 1 or 2 lives every week. Koosaar Ismaaciil spent the night in Ethiopia, where the chat is grown. He chewed all night and, caught at a police checkpoint, is riding high. Between arriving in Ethiopia, crossing the border, how much chat did you chew? What do you feel like when you've eaten a kilo of chat? And with that, our time was up. This man earns more in a day than most people make in a month. Koosaar arrives in the capital, Hargeisa, in less than an hour. First again. There's already a crowd waiting, hanging on the arrival of the harmless-looking green leaves that are in reality a powerful stimulant.